brought to tears.
Oh, you telling me say them things? Me never said them things. How you telling me say them things? This man a butty boy.
Oh, thanks for logging in. It's the Mr. Show.
What's butty?
Final 26-26 coming into play right now. So stay logged in. I got a lot of chops. Let's go.
I'm a butty boy and dirty bumbleclot.
Try that no.
Road rage.
To the front of the line. Who know me come ball crazy? Wait for a second. Out of the whole of the man them wanna run through. Who no couldn't control none of them.
Let's get into it. It's the Mr. Show. Give thanks for life.
Thank you for waking me up this morning, and thank you for waking up every one of them, you know. That's a code.
Jamaica!
Friend, in Jamaica we say brethren. Mother, in Jamaica we say mother.
Okay. Your mama.
That's right. Father, in Jamaica we say
Father.
Your daddy.
Papa.
What's up, your mother?
Are you crazy? In Jamaica we ask your mad.
Hey boy, father.
Your shoes are dirty. In Jamaica we say
What's up, your mother?
Guys, me bring home girl in me yard.
A man brought a woman to his house and realized that she couldn't cook. Yard man abroad.
He needs some.
Big up.
Boy, she a big chef and thing. Look on the rice. Jesus Christ.
Porridge rice.
Say my wife material. Say she a white
Mashed potatoes.
material. Look at that. That God man, disgusting.
I'm from Jamaica.
All right, so Jamaica knowledge. What do you know about Jamaica? Eh? We know about eternal Father, save our land. Guide us through with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil powers. What you know about Jamaica?
Tell me something most people don't know about Jamaica.
So patois is a blend of African languages as well as English. So you have Chinese, French, Spanish, Irish. You also have Portuguese. So yeah.
And you also have Germans. Big up the Germans them in Jamaica.
This is in some of y'all homes.
Okay, Christmas trees and all of the paganisms that go on behind with the Christmas trees. Not sure if you know about that. But we're not going to talk about the Christmas trees right now. We're going to talk about something else. Yo, this pastor. Let's go.
That's right.
Now, your pastor is telling you Jesus' birthday is coming on the 25th. Your pastor is a liar.
Holy frijoles.
Bible ain't never said Jesus was born December 25th. Not only is your pastor a liar, your mama.
That's right.
You talking about my mama? Your mama.
Your mama.
Your daddy.
Woo.
Children, there is no Santa Claus. Your mama or your daddy both them presents.
Uh-oh.
There is no Santa Claus.
Uh-oh.
There ain't no man 400 and 500 pounds coming down your chimney and live and talk about it. Not today. Stop lying. This is heathenism.
Oh,
This
boy.
is paganism.
That's right.
This ain't got nothing to do with God.
That's right. That's right.
Morning. Me did take some clothes and some slippers and one lady, you know.
All right. The subtle approach that women ask for money, right? This is a Jamaican woman that she's pretty much calling her dude, and saying good morning. This morning you saw a lady on the road selling some clothes, and she took some clothes from the lady, and she wants a little bit of financial assistance. Listen.
Slippers and one lady, you know, we are drive around and sell. But they ask her for money if you could have helped me make up pay for them.
You know you're a wicked girl.
them gyal are wicked, them wicked.
Yo, me and you never have sex yet.
Them gyal are wicked, them wicked.
And I see me want to see your outer clothes.
I don't know how them so wicked.
You gotta ask me to pay for clothes.
The man say, yo, I don't want to see you in the clothes. I want to see you out of the clothes. And you want him to pay for the clothes?
Why them so wicked?
And put in a more clothes.
But I know so them gyal
The best thing I do, I bring back them the year.
Bring it back.
I go make who take them off, pay for them. Like me a friggin' idiot.
Jamaica! Certainly seem to be a favorite, Maxine. Maybe you'd like to tell me a little bit about your outfit.
This is one original article outfit this year.
Shout out to that lady. I believe she's the producer of The Kink in Your Hair. I'm not sure if you know about that movie, that theater, that book, The Kink in Your Hair. But she's very creative. Let's go. So right now, you know them things. Let's go.
A little bit about your outfit.
This is one original article outfit this year.
Have we got a translator around here somewhere? Someone that can speak Jamaican, anybody? Oh, yes, you, sir. Please, come on up. Come on in here. Thank you very much for helping us out. Maxine, what would you do if you became Miss Universe?
I want to know what the first thing I do if I win this thing.
Let me tell you first thing, right? This contest I want idiot business this year. They must surround me with a bunch of marga white girl who not eat nothing but rotted salad. And me can't find no oxtail and no rice and peas, no place. I'm tired of this idiot blood clot white wire hospital. This idiot blood clot white wire asked me my business, you know. You must tell him for quick. Bomba clot.
Yo. Yo, girl.
That sounds like a very spirited answer, and I can't wait to hear the translation.
His face.
She says in her first 10 days of taking office, as Miss Universe, I would immediately impose a total moratorium on nuclear weapons. I would demand the G8 enact bold fiscal policies to forgive third world debt so that the young people could have a future. And finally, I would mediate a global summit to do an everlasting truce between the two warring factions, between Beanie Man and Bounty Killer.
And Cartel want to get into the war with Cartel. Stay quiet, yo. Beanie Man and Bounty Killer, big up legends. She said some eloquent things, I guess.
I have to say that I'm almost brought to tears.
Oh, you telling me say them things? Me never said them things. Why you telling me say them things? This man a butty boy.
Well, thank you, Miss Jamaica. What's a butty boy?
Means you're a man among men.
Let me say in your native tongue, I'm a butty boy and dutty bumbaclot.
Yo, what did you have to say in the Jamaican native tongue again?
Jamaica? What's a butty boy?
Means you're a man among men.
Let me say in your native tongue, I'm a butty boy and dutty bumbaclot. Thank you, Maxine Livingston, Miss Jamaica!
All right, this is going out to the nosy neighbor that loves to peep through the man's window. So the man set up a little electrical shock. He's gonna be shocked.
Them a say them are your friend, and them a try cut off throat. Look if you no see them at the back. Them at the glass boat. Chew them here, say me take out a passport. Look what them a put in a medina for the basket.
Yo, sometimes people don't want what you have, you know. It's not for you. It's not for you to give to them, and it's not for them to receive. Look at this example.
Right now in Jamaica, when the too busy with a woman again, what a woman want to do, you know. Yeah. Because I wash for myself, I cook for myself, I clean for myself, and right now I fuck myself. So I'm busy with a woman,
Alright, they say Jamaican men have a whole heap of women and all these things, but Jamaican men truly love to love. Yeah, that's what them call this. Yeah, Jamaicans love to love, bro. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Alright, so the Jamaican patois language. Bit of Creole mixed with a little English.
Your intention. The what? The intention card. Oh, fit him. Oh, you mean extension? Extension. Extension card, okay.
Okay, so now we're into some Jamaican road rage. Jamaica, the man in the yard, calm down, bro. Go easy. This road rage, it could be unaliving people, man.
Try that no. Try that no. Try that no. Big waist man.
Ooh.
Try that no.
Man, call him a big waist man.
Try that. Try that now. Try that now, me say. Try that now. Try that now, me say, my dad. You deaf?
No video about the take off a light, cause it's too bright.
You deaf, you? You deaf?
Shout out to Super Cat.
You deaf? Me say try that now. Mothers, me say try that now.
Now.
Boxing on my face, no. See my face, I'm not sure. Boxing on my face, no, my dad. My dad, see my face, no. Me say boxing on my face, no, my dad.
Right. All right. This is a serious Jamaican cop, yo. He is not messing around, and he told him straight he will unalive him. Right? One time. So let's see how the Jamaican cops are in action. So they say in Jamaica, so the cops are a real bad man. Me not know. Yo, he's upset. People, remember in life, you know, when you stop overthinking and you just go for it.
Unstoppable, run away train. Everything fence, every lane. He a aim for the sky like plane. Them a pray.
Come back. Go back some more.
I'm backing up.
Oh God, Jamaican instructions.
Come back, bitch. Come back. Go back.
Come back, man. Stop calling a car drive, man. Come back.
Back more back.
Is he mad at me?
No, he's not mad at you. This is just how they talk.
Idiot boy, come back.
Idiot boy. Yo. All right, this girl here, she doesn't realize how distressing it is when you put a man in certain situations. She doesn't get it. And yo, people, it doesn't get any worse for a man than this story that she's about to tell. You believe me? Remember to like and subscribe. Don't go no further. Hit the like and subscribe. Holler at your boy. Toronto, Canada to the world.
One thing I never told my ex is my actual body count.
Okay.
I never told him that. I've always told him that it was only 8 people.
Ooh.
Obviously, it's not.
I wonder how old she is, guys. Type in the comment section. How old is this girl?
Oh, it's not?
No.
So it's 8 people, and in my guess, she's about maybe 25.
It's not. And there was even one time where we had like dinner and stuff, because like I was invited to like little dinners out, because I used to live in New York.
Okay.
And it was by accident. I even had him sit at a table with a lot of the guys that I've been with. And he was like chumming up with them, and they were like all just talking.
So he sat at a table with a bunch of your exes or people that you slept with?
Who I slept with.
And how did that happen?
The guy, so my friend who invited me out, he didn't tell me exactly who was going to be there at the dinner. And there was like 3 people that I slept with my with my ex, but he was like my boyfriend at the time, and they were all just like talking, and it was the most uncomfortable experience ever.
Yeah, most uncomfortable experience for you. Made the guy look like a darn fool. You made him look like a real fool by doing that little uncomfortable move for you. What do you think about the guy now? What do you think happened to him?
It was by accident. I even had him sit at a table with a lot of the guys that I've been with, and he was like chumming up with them, and they were like all just talking.
So he sat at a table with a bunch of your exes?
She's for the streets, bro. I don't care what anyone says. Can't be trusted, Nita.
People that you slept with?
People I slept with.
And how did that happen?
The guy, so my friend who invited me out, he didn't tell me exactly who was gonna be there at the dinner, and there was like 3 people that I slept with my ex, but he was like my boyfriend at the time, and they were all just like talking, and it was the most uncomfortable experience ever.
Wow.
So yeah, I lied to him about my body count.
You think?
I always told him it was only 8 people.
Okay, so it's only 8 people, but what is the real number?
The real number is...
Check this out.
Where are we now? The real number is like 50.
Ooh.
Check this out.
Ooh.
50.
Nah, man, that's wrong.
50, yeah.
Okay.
I was frisky in college.
I was frisky, eh? She could have a whole entire 50 men. Imagine one party. She could have a whole dance full of just men that she's SELEPT with. That is nuts. It's too much, ladies, in case you think 50 is okay. That's way too much.
And in New York City. I'm just frisky.
Do you consider 50 a lot for a body count?
I try. Okay, so I used to keep a list for everyone that I've been with.
Right.
But now I don't keep track. I don't keep track.
Wow.
Oh, it's getting too big, too big. But I really don't care. Like, I don't think anyone should care about the body count. It's not who you are as a person at the end of the day. So I don't really think too much about it.
Okay.
It's a big fat girl love maga man. All the maga man love the big fat girl.
The older I get, the more that I see.
For real. Why is it in Jamaica that the big fat girl love maga man and the maga man them love a big fat woman? Why? What's the deal behind that? And as you see, the older I get, the more that I see.
All of the women them who waste out their young days come to the front of the line. Who know me come bout?
Step up to the front, ladies.
Yearly Emperor. Good morning to all of my beautiful ladies who are doing this morning. Big up on yourself on the Monday morning. Who don't know say me and the man on the internet. Me general them. Big up on yourself.
Shout out. For everyone in 2025, give thanks and praise, 2026 will be here just now. By the time you're watching this, 2026 will be here. Enough respect to the year of 2026. Ladies, if you're under a certain age, if you're young and beautiful, don't waste your time. Let's go.
Good morning, God. Thank you for waking me up this morning. And thank you for waking up every one of them. That's a code. God, but before me go,
that's
why
a code. That's a code.
Yeah, what me I said to you this morning now. This morning now we are going to talk about the woman them who waste out their time. Listen to me and listen to me good. This morning now, I going to try to articulate the best I can. Big word articulate, man. Hear me now. When you not going on a prime and you look good, you no breast them up on 2 pair of bed spring. And you no body cock up with 2 pair of good ear shocks. Me there. You no waste out on no time. And this not go for all women. Some women do the right thing. Me I talk about the one that will waste their time. Please and thanks. But I got a question for you. One on a prime. And some man a look on you. You don't want them. You don't make a bag of man run through you. And then later on in life, you don't want to go second down with one young boy or try to control one man. I got a question for you, and I want this sizzle in our spirit for a second. Out of the whole of the man them want to run through, you couldn't control none of them. Me ask you if you couldn't control none of them. And when you know whole age, or up in a age, You don't want somebody to control. You know fi tap you and come down. You see when you look good, you know breast, you know body cock up in the ear, man a lost out on you. At that the time, the right time to find one good man, second down, with a partner. Now when you no get hole, although they say you no hole, but you no knock. Yeah. Then say you no hole, but you no call. But at the end of the day, that is the right time to find on a partner when you no look young and look good and fabulous. You don't know wait till you no get up in a age. You don't want to control certain man. You don't go walk. You don't life I go miserable. So you know if you tap them style there. And when you no look good, you know if you try to find a husband. And I make no one bag of man call pound.
No video about no stick off a light, guy too bright.
Thanks for like again. It's the Mr. Show.